I'm a nail tech, so of course I do my own soak offs. My nails were supposed to be refilled, but it took so long that I decided rather let me just soak it off. How I'm going to be doing it, I'm going to show you step by step. And first of all, I use cotton wool, cut it into cute little pieces in fours. According to this round circle, I just cut it into four. Sanitize those hands, honey, because that goes first. And then I push my cuticles, always standard. Then I remove the top coat because then it doesn't soak off properly if you don't remove the top coat, because the top coat is like really tough. And then I remove the dust, and then I'm going to be using acetone. This is Planet Nails acetone. Stuff all that acetone in the cotton wool, all right, and then cover it with those clips. So this is the first time I am using acetone and those clips directly. Usually I'll have the acetone with the cotton wool and then I'll have foil, but I decided, you know what, let me try it out with this thing and see if the acetone is not actually going to damage these clips. I don't know why I decided to get brave about it, but I got brave about it, child. And that's what it looked like. I look weird, but hey man, I can only use one hand for the moment. I got this cup from Zaza. I will show you. I will tag her. I'll tag her. Because you need to get it. It's amazing. It has anything and everything in there. And then I use chopsticks for these noodles. Well, I attempted, and look at that. That little dot that I got on my tummy. Child, that didn't work out. I had to use my other hand. Over here, I tried to remove, but that was like just a few minutes later. And also, I realized I did not remove the top coat properly. That's why only my index finger actually worked out. But all the other nails, I didn't remove the top coat properly. Oh, load shedding, child. You know that. That's in South Africa, girl. So, like, I mean, we're not confused. But the same problem with my pinky. I tried to remove and I realized the top coat was not fully removed. So I had to do that again. And then just put a bit more acetone on the cotton wool and cover it up again for, I guess, another 15 minutes. That meant I love you in sign language. Switch it off, and this was the final product. Doesn't look so great, but this was load shedding